How to use radionics to carry out energy cleaning of homes or spaces. When we think about cleaning our home, we often refer to the removal of dust, clutter, and physical dirt. However, there is another dimension of cleansing that we often overlook: energy cleansing. Homes and spaces can accumulate negative vibrations for multiple reasons: periods of experiences with intense emotions or discomfort, continued suffering of people in those places, repeated confrontations between individuals, presence of altered or unbalanced subjects, violence of any kind, lack of adequate ventilation, former inhabitants with harmful attitudes, harmful external influences, and along etc. People, animals, and even other living beings can perceive these harmful vibrations when they visit or inhabit these charged spaces. They may feel restless, experience unpleasant sensations, or even develop a nervous condition if they are very sensitive. But can you do something about it? One of the most common uses of radionics in the home is energy cleansing. Radionics users can use radionic devices to identify and remove negative or unwanted energies that may be present in space. In any case, it is recommended to do deep energy cleaning at home at least once a year or at the beginning of each season. Many operators prefer the indirect approach. For example, prepare water by programming it with the same beneficial intentions using the radionic device. Then they spray the space with water in several batches to modify the vibration from negative to positive. You can also use a specific flower remedy that is placed on the trend plate of the device to flood the space with the vibration of the flower remedy. And how do you feel the energies of your house? Leave us a comment. Another idea: if the room is going to be repainted, you can program the paint itself by introducing vibrations into it with the positive intention or intentions that you choose. Once that paint is on the wall, the place will be impregnated by that intention or group of intentions. Before and after muscle tests can be performed that will show the beneficial impact of this simple action. You can also connect an ARE habitat to radiate continuous corrective rates using the local electrical network, another simple and economical option. As you see, you can be very creative when using quality radionics equipment. Experimentation and practice will certainly show you surprising results. If you want to know more about radionics, subscribe to this channel or visit our website, www.radionicinternational.com, and download our book on radionics for free. We are waiting for you.